Welcome to another exciting walkthrough. Today, we're exploring one of Singapore's most beloved attractions, the Pasar Malam, or night market. A lively hub of street food, unique finds, and a truly immersive cultural experience. So, get ready as we dive into the sights, sounds, and flavors of Singapore's Pasar Malam. As you step into the Pasar Malam, the first thing you'll notice is the incredible energy. It's a mix of delicious aromas, lively chatter, and vibrant lights. Whether you're here for the food, shopping, or just soaking in the atmosphere, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk about the food, one of the biggest highlights of any Pasar Malam. Here, you'll find an endless variety of local and international street food. From the famous Ramly burger, juicy, flavorful, and wrapped in a special egg coating, to crispy Taiwanese chicken cutlets, every bite is a treat. And don't forget the takoyaki, those delicious Japanese octopus-filled balls cooked fresh right in front of you. Another great thing about Pasar Malam is the prices. They're often more affordable than what you'd find in malls. And if you're good at bargaining, you might just score an even better deal. It's all part of the experience. What makes Pasar Malam so special is the sense of community. It brings together people of all backgrounds, sharing laughter, food, and good times. Whether you're a local or a tourist, it's a must-visit experience that truly reflects Singapore's diverse culture. But Pasar Malam isn't just about food. You'll also find a mix of trendy fashion, quirky gadgets, and nostalgic childhood toys. Whether you're looking for affordable clothes, phone accessories, or even collectible keychains, there's something interesting at every corner. And let's not forget the fun and interactive stalls, claw machines, carnival games, and mini rides for the kids. And if you have a sweet tooth, you're in for a treat. Look at these Thai milk teas, overflowing with toppings, or the beautifully crafted rainbow cheese toast. Perfect for that Instagram-worthy shot. And of course, the all-time favorite Mao Shan Wang durian desserts, a must-try for durian lovers.